What if sabihin ko, kung may 15,000 ka ngayon, possible na may sarili kang bahay next year? Ganyan din ang tanong ng isang client ko last week. Sabi niya, Ma'am, kaya ko lang 15,000 monthly. May chance pa ba? Sagot ko, oo.
What?
Zero down payment, zero equity, free bank charges, and 100,000 pesos discount. Tapos 30,000 cash appliances assistance. Sa'yo na ang 2-bedroom townhouse as low as 15,000 monthly sa bank amortization.
Reservation is 15,000 pesos. Then 1 month after, magsimula ng amortization. This project is located in Malanang Upol, Misamis Oriental. One ride to Gaisano, near Macdo, and near Seven Seas. The first world-class water park in the Philippines.
Limited units lang ha. Promo hanggang December 31. Message me now before mawala to. Bye!